Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, February the 21st, yeah, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the binary and a Sudoku with 4 stars. And we have not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So what I will do is, in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. Alright, yesterday's newspaper. And today it's war day number 728, yeah. 728 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed, yes. Almost 2 years in a couple of days. So, enough with the war. Almost every day we have about the war. So, when will there be peace? Alright, this one will be number 8046. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has actually 24 printed digits. Yeah, the 4 stars should be having 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. 2 3s. 1 4. 2 5s. 2 6s. 3 7s. 3 8s. And 2 9s. So it's divided. Cannot start with one of the numbers. Alright, let me see. How about? Oh, no. We have 4 2s. Alright. 2 2. Need a 2 here. Well, still cannot fill this yet. Oh, 2 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 5. Okay, need a 2 here. 2 2. Well, in this big square we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 3 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the second row, no 2 there. Only place left. The 2 should be there. Okay, and now I cannot continue with the 2. Well, the 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between, the second column, the only place left. The 7 should be there. Then, yeah, 9 9. 9 9 9 9 9. We have 8 in this column. Last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 3. Okay, 6 6. 8 in the 6. 8. Well, we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left. 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Then 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. 1, 2, 8. Okay. But the 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second, no 8 there, 8 should be there. The 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 8. Okay. And now, how about the 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left with 7, should be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Yeah, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing number in this big square. Well, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, and look, we have a 5 and a 4 and a 5 in the last row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Okay. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Need a 7 here. 7, 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 there. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places, 11 and 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about these? 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first, in this row. 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. Well, these 3 missing numbers in the last row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about... Need a 2 here. Ay. The 9 there. 6 and then 9. 2, 6, 9, 1 and the 4. Okay, I'm thinking. We have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1, 6, 9. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. And I need a 5 here. Well. Need a 3 here. 3 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 1 here. Thinking. Need a 1. Well, what's happening? 6. No 6 here, 6. No 7. Ah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in this row, second row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left with a 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 7. Need a 4 here. Need a 1. Need a 6 here. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Okay. Need a 3. 3 in the first row. 3 in the second row. So in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 in that column, no 3 there. The only places left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. A 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, that means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2, no, 3 and a 6, no. Again, 1, 2, 3, the 3, 4 is missing, yeah, 4 and a 6. Almost made a mistake. 4 and the 6 are left. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes in there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Well, we have a pair here. 5 and a 9. How about here also 4 and the 6 are missing in the last row. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Okay, and now 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left 2 should be there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left of 2 should be here, so the other 2 should be 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 1. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a no. We already have a 5 here. 4 and a 9 are left here. 4 and a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes again. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.